All right, first things first. What exactly is UGC? It stands for User Generated Content, which is really just a fancy way of saying content created by everyday people like you and me. Think about that Instagram post you made about a product you love, or a quick review video you saw on social media. That's UGC in action. Now, what makes UGC different from traditional content is that it's created by regular people rather than professional actors or influencers. It has that real vibe that consumers trust. Brands are looking for genuine content that doesn't feel too polished. UGC captures moments of authenticity, and that's why it's so powerful. Look around, I'm outside in the snow. Now, I want to share a little bit of my own journey. I've been freelancing for years, and when I first discovered UGC, I was actually a bit hesitant about doing the on-camera work. I wasn't sure if I'd be comfortable or if I had the right look for it. But here's the great part. Buyers of UGC, they don't want a Hollywood performance. They're looking for natural, relatable videos that feel real, like this one. You can hear the trucks going by in the background. It turns out that's the magic of UGC. To get started, I used my cell phone and eventually invested in some simple tools. A good lighting setup, a lavalier mic, and a few other essentials. Nothing too fancy, just enough to make videos look polished. And honestly, I've been making money ever since. In fact, I'm going to film this entire course using just my cell phone and some basic lighting, not even my mic. I'm going to shoot in different backgrounds and outfits because I'm going to create this course while doing my own UGC work. I want you to see and experience what it's like to create UGC videos. So think about your own journey here. Maybe you've already been considering it, but you're a bit nervous about being on camera, right? Or maybe you think I don't look like a professional actor and, well, that's just wrong. For UGC, your personality and authenticity, that's what really matters. There's a space in this industry for everyone, whether you're a total natural in front of the camera or just trying it out for the first time. And here's the thing. No matter your age, background, or your look, there are brands out there with products marketed to people just like you. Those are the ones who will actually want you to create content for them. So, if you're feeling nervous about being on camera, remember, this isn't about perfection. It's about being real and relatable. Now, let's take a quick pause here. If you haven't already, jot down a few thoughts about any products or hobbies you feel passionate about. It could be something you use every day, or something that's just made your life a little better. These products could be the foundation of your own UGC journey.